be our guest. Be our guest. Put our cheat day to the test.
Put your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we will do the rest. Soup du jour. Welcome back to Cheat Day. Today is a very special movie-themed episode of Cheat Day. It is all about Disney foods. And I'm talking foods that are iconic from Disney movies. It's so nostalgic. Like all the Disney movies, they're coming back as live action movies. I'm still not sure how I feel about all of it, to be honest with you.
Everybody has some memory of a Disney food from a cartoon that you were like, oh, that looks so good.
Yep.
We're eating them today. We haven't seen them yet. We don't know. But the rumblings around the Clevver office is that today, you're gonna wanna stay to the end. Apparently we've got like the best food we've ever done on Cheat Day.
Yeah.
So, join us.
One thing that I'm excited about for this episode is that we know some of the movies, but we don't know like the foods.
I know, one thing
I kind of want to guess. I think we're gonna definitely do the spaghetti from Lady and the Tramp. Like,
Does they say it like that?
I don't know. Do the dogs say it like that?
Here's what I'm
know.
hoping for. The corn that Gus Gus eats in Cinderella.
Oh no, I'm having a heat stroke right now because I just had a thought. What if
Oh, I thought you were like
eating...
actually having like an illness.
No,
I
Jerry,
got scared.
Come on, I'm a little dramatic. The lobster from Little Mermaid. Oh, that was a crab? I thought that was a lobster.
No characters. Oh, we're not even eating characters.
Any characters.
That's good.
Wait,
Wouldn't that be so dark if you were like, today
Sebastian?
and this is the Beast. Oh, what is this?
Is this the bread from Aladdin?
Can we compare?
And now, esteemed Effendi, we feast, all right.
Well, I feel like we have to break it like he does. So he goes,
I feel like we're in church and I'm like about to repent for my sins.
and then I gotta think about eating it. And I gotta
Okay.
see some orphans. You can have this.
You know what? Bread is so addicting.
Even though I just ran
Once
from the
you
cops.
start, you can't stop it. Maybe I should have been an animal. I'm not a human.
I'm gonna blow your mind. Humans are animals. Do we think this is living up to the Aladdin bread?
I'm just gonna put it to you like this. And we can end on this beat.
Okay.
This is not a whole new world, okay? Drop the loaf.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, everyone.
Oh,
Here is
okay.
a little souffle.
Souffle?
What?
This is not a souffle.
What is it?
This looks like the Ratatouille thing,
Oh, it's Ratatouille.
which is like an interpretation of Ratatouille.
I have a confession.
You never seen Ratatouille, did you?
I haven't. It's the only one besides Princess Diaries and the Harry Potter movies and Ratatouille. I haven't seen those movies.
She's like, those are the only movies I have not seen. Every other movie. Anaconda 2? Seen it. Ratatouille is a movie about a rat that cooks food.
Is his name Ratatouille?
It's not, it's Remy. There's this food critic who's really mean and horrible. He's like, just destroys restaurants and whatever. And when he has a bite of this, at the end of the movie, I'm gonna cry about it, thinking about it. It's such a good part of the movie. He takes one bite of the food and you see he warps back to being a child and eating Ratatouille
God.
as a child. I really am moving. It's a very moving part of the movie.
Oh my God.
And it's so beautiful because that is why food is so good. Because food isn't just food, it's time and place and history and stories and poems and like community, and it's the whole reason we're alive. Okay? To be able to break bread with friends, that's you've won survival. That's it. That's the game. And so he breaks the evil critic. The evil critic's like, oh, now I remember why I love food and everything and life is good. And it's really beautiful. Let's try it.
Oh, it has like squash and zucchini.
Yeah, it's very good.
It seems healthy.
Mmm.
So a rat chef put this together? Is that what we're basically saying here?
Yes.
Okay.
It's very good.
It's okay. It was such a hype. It was such
Well,
a
it's not fair
build-up.
because it's not, you didn't eat Ratatouille growing up. Like, what did you eat growing up? Like, what was your favorite food growing up? Oh, time for Erin stories.
Mayonnaise sandwiches.
All right,
one at a
these are
time.
beautiful. These are so well done.
They
You
are
are
really well
right.
done.
Cheat Day is outdoing itself.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Do you wanna go out play?
Do you want to eat a crepe? Want me to sweet pancake?
Cold, but really good.
It's delicious.
It was really good. I've been into Crepes recently, There's a place in Beverly Hills that makes amazing crepes.
Okay, well, this is a Norwegian pancake. It's not a crepe, so I don't care. Is there a scene in that movie where they're like eating Norwegian pancakes?
I feel like a bad movie fan for not knowing. If this was a an icy with some eyeballs on it, I would be like frozen.
An icy with eyeballs on
Like
it?
the snowman.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Yeah, you can eat the characters, Erin.
I have been watching a lot of Netflix documentaries recently, and I can't help myself.
Lady and the Tramp.
This is a very iconic scene where Lady and the Tramp, they come together and they kind of connect for the very first time.
I feel like we're really missing the Chianti bottle candle thing and stuff.
I know, the ambiance. We don't have the ambiance.
But it's fine.
But we have our own ambiance here on Cheat Day.
Can we just eat the spaghetti meatballs?
Yeah, let's do it. The sound, it sounds very weird. But I love that this is a gigantic serving because in my head,
Well, the dogs don't have forks.
would you like to eat this with our tongues?
I feel like that's the experience if we're doing it.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you gonna make me eat this?
You don't have to.
Forks?
You don't have to.
I can't, Jarrett.
This is how they accidentally find one spaghetti noodle together.
We would never go on a second date, just so you know. Jarrett, they're gonna make us do that thing.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not a big deal.
It is a big deal. I'm married, and you basically are.
First of all, we don't have to kiss each other.
Well, that's what they do.
But I'm still arguing against this.
Please leave this in because we want our significant
Third.
others to know.
If we were poly, I think you and your husband are very nice people, and sure.
Are we not your type?
No, I'm saying I'd give it a shot.
Here's a nude right here.
Oh, hot nudes. Thank you. Thanks for sending me your nudes. You can't notice that we have the same noodle.
Oh, the brook! Wasn't meant to be.
Wasn't meant to be. It's all
no,
good.
No.
We tried.
If you slow it down
there's-
and you can keep the sounds, it'll be really sexy.
What is this?
Okay, this is a sorbet. No, it's a mousse.
Is this a pun or is this a thing in the thing?
Is it in a song? It's in a song. Soup
de jour, soup bread.
all they live to serve. And just gotta, ask the dishes!
Right before that, yeah.
Oh, I don't know that line.
Try the gray stuff.
Oh,
Try the gray stuff! It's delicious!
Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
Let's try this gray stuff.
Ooh. Oh, it's like a nice pudding.
Yeah. It's a lovely little pudding.
I would try the gray stuff because it is delicious. Wait, what is this? This is really good. It's like Oreo.
It's pudding.
No, it's not. It's moussey.
It's an Oreo mousse pudding.
It's real good though.
It's quite good. Beauty and the Beast does have a very iconic food moment that
Feast.
also has my favorite, probably the line from that musical that I think of the most. When I was a lad, I ate 2 dozen eggs every day just so I could get large.
Wait, why was this not
Now
a
every
thing?
day I eat 5 dozen eggs. Hold on, I don't know if I can get the next note. So I'm roughly the size of a barge. That's what you were gonna make me eat.
What a missed opportunity. What is the pie?
Where do they
from?
eat a pie?
They eat pies in olden days.
Good.
In the possible like 1800s.
1800s.
In castles. They eat pies in castles.
1800s and castles. We're there. Okay.
Okay, we're there. Pie, Cinderella. Snow White, apples. Apple pie! That was
Who makes a
missed
pie in Snow White? She makes a gooseberry pie? For whom?
The dwarfs.
Okay, I accept. Gooseberry sounds delicious.
What is gooseberry real?
It's a berry
Is it real?
from geese.
I was
No, don't do that. Look at how you're doing it. Look where you're putting. Everybody understand this? Look at this. It's got line there. Now don't cut it. Just put where you want to cut. Oh, you're changing it, you liar.
I'm not! That's exactly
That's
where
correct.
it was.
You were going like this, which is just madness.
What
You know
is
I mean?
the difference?
What's the you really think that?
Yes, it's the same place.
If you don't know at this point, I can't explain it to you.
That is not a real thing.
Yes, it is.
Gooseberry is a thing?
Yes.
That's real? Come on. Everybody's lying to me.
No, gooseberry is real.
That looks disgusting.
No, it doesn't.
Who would bake this pie as like nice to meet you. Okay.
All right, let's try it.
All right, ready?
I wish I remembered this moment from the film.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's disgusting. That is horrible.
It's good.
That is horrible.
B, tastes like raisins.
Oh, I hate raisins. Raisins are the worst food item ever invented. This is so bad. Snow White would not be someone I'd spend a lot of time with. So whatever's in this box is our final surprise. And I have to be very delicate with it.
What is happening here? Did this fall over?
It gives me Alice in Wonderland vibes.
It does have Alice in Wonderland vibes.
Like I want it to be like a Mad Hatter. Would you like a tool?
I am the tool.
That could mean lots of different things. Okay, so this cake took a little journey.
It's been on a trip.
It's been on a journey.
It's gone through some things. I keep thinking of Alice in Wonderland because of the color, but I
it's
don't
not
think
that.
that's what it is.
This is a birthday cake, we have decided, and I think it's when Aurora turns 16?
Give it the old reach around.
It kind of looks like a cake I would have made when I was like 4 years old in my Easy Bake Oven.
That would be amazing if you could make this in your Easy Bake Oven. I'd be quite impressed.
Is there something in it? This is a very strange cake.
It's a beautiful cake.
It's beautiful, but it tastes like one of those Brillo sponges that you like scrub your pans with.
I think it's because the fondant and the sitting.
It's the cake
It's more to look
texture.
at.
Yeah,
Plus,
yeah.
you need to hold up this much. You need a firm cake in it. I'm really impressed with the noble attempt
Yep.
at this obscure
But
reference.
I feel like Aurora really should finish this since it is her birthday.
Yeah, I'd be really rude of us to continue
Rude.
eating
yeah,
it.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
I think for sure there's got to be some Disney stuff that we missed. We got to do a part 2 of this.
Yeah.
So tell us what Disney foods.
And if we should do a Disney week on this channel, I'm like so into that.
Should we just do a Beauty and the Beast episode?
Yes,
Let
let
us
us
know.
know. Comment in the comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you're notified when we upload new videos, and we'll see you back here next week
Every Sunday.
on Cheat Day.
You know it. All right, well, today got a little messy. If you want more messy fun times, come back and watch Cheat Day. You gotta subscribe, you gotta hit the button to the wherever it is. You know, there's a bell, there's a subscription button.
There's actually a video that they can click to watch another Cheat Day or whatever they want.
Whoa, you could do that too.
Options.